that you give me, all that you give me, all that you give me, all that you give me, no soul. I hear you calling, oh baby, please give a little respect to your soul. Hear you calling, baby, please give a little respect to me.
Good morning, BIS Hanoi. Oh, students, please give a lot of respect to each other, always. Really important. Today is about character. It's about preparing you to be the best people that you can be. It's not about academics. It's about you as people. And the theme of today is respect. You see, respect, it's pivotal to everything. Just consider our international community at BIS Hanoi. We have people from all around the world with different cultural and religious beliefs. And it's really important that we are tolerant and accepting that people have a right to be different. And equally, respect is important when one talks about the LGBTQ plus community. We're talking about sexuality and we're talking about gender. And we have an obligation, a moral obligation to support people to be the people that they want to be. It is not our role to judge. We need to show respect at all times to people who might be different from ourselves. BIS Hanoi students, we always show respect for people from all around the world. It doesn't matter where you're from, and it doesn't matter what colour your skin is or the shape of your face or how big your ears are. None of it really matters. We celebrate difference. We celebrate the fact that we are a multicultural international community. It becomes a strength. We will challenge any derogatory words to describe people who look different from others. Outside, everyone is different. But inside, we're just the same. And everyone has feelings. How many can you name? The way that you treat others is the way that they'll treat you. So respect each other's differences and they'll respect yours too. Give a little respect to
stealing your heart away. Yeah, maybe I'm a crook for not caring for it. Yeah, maybe I'm a bad person. Well, baby, I know. So I think it's best we both forget before we dwell on it. The way you held me so tight all through the night till it was near morning. 'Cause you love when you know I can't love. You love when you know I can't love. You love when you know I can't love you.
respect for boundaries. Message to years 7, 8, and 9 students here. As your bodies start to undergo changes that take boys and girls into young men and women, it's important that you absolutely understand the boundaries that people have. So we don't touch unless there's consent. We don't talk about things sexual or otherwise that make people feel uncomfortable.
Hi BIS, my name is Ms. Fairbairn. I'm a counsellor here in case I don't already know you. Mr. Graham's given me this opportunity to talk to you about respect and a little bit about consent. In case you're not aware, consent is just when we get permission to be able to do something with somebody or to somebody. So it can be permission to touch somebody, permission to talk about certain things. Sometimes we think that it's on the person who the action is going against. So if somebody touches somebody, it's on the person being touched to say no. And it's, of course, their right to say no, but it's more on the person doing the touching in order to get consent, in order to get permission. Hey, do you mind if I touch you? This can be friendly touch, we're wrestling. This can be just an arm around somebody's shoulder, or this could be more of an intimate romantic touch. All of those things should have consent. And sometimes we think it's a little bit cheesy to ask for permission, but it can actually be quite nice. And it gives the person the chance to both be able to say no, if that's how they're feeling, but also to feel deeply respected. And so in a session when we're talking about respect, if you want to show the ultimate respect for somebody, ask permission before you do something. Because if you don't, we want people to understand that if somebody is not asking for permission or not listening to you when you do say no, that's something we cannot tolerate here at BIS ever. And so if you've ever felt in that situation, please do come talk to us. We're here, we're ready to listen, and we have ways that we can help you. If you are somebody who knows that you've been touching somebody or making them feel uncomfortable in your words or your actions, and you want to help with how to stop, or you want to understand what you've done wrong, please come talk to us too. All of this can be a learning curve. Sometimes we need to understand what makes other people feel uncomfortable, especially when we identify as different genders, different sexuality, different cultures. We can all have different levels of comfortability. For some, an arm around a shoulder might be a great, wonderful, warm, caring gesture. For others, that can make them feel extremely uncomfortable. So in figuring out how we show consent and respect here at BIS, it's always good in order to ask. I know this might seem a little bit of a funny topic as we're not even face-to-face right now, but this really does go into the online world as well. If we're thinking about cyberbullying, we're thinking about the comments that we leave in chat rooms, how we are interacting with our classmates, and how we're making each other feel when we're distanced and we can't actually read body language in the same way is so important. We have the opportunity right now to make people feel really great. We also equally have the opportunity to do the opposite. We think you're going to rise to the challenge and be the great citizens that we think you are. If you have any questions about respect or you just need some help with something, please come see us. We're always here to listen. Thanks.
Thank you.
Respect my choices.
Respect my body.
Respect my faith.
Respect
my vision.
my vision.
Respect my wisdom.
Respect my culture.
Respect my future.
Respect my future.
Respect my words.
Respect my boundaries.
Respect my boundaries.
No.
No means no.
Means no.
Means no. No means no.
Respect.
Respect me.
That you give me no reason, you know you make me work so hard. That you give me no, that you give me no, that you give me no, that you give me no soul. I hear you calling.